Hello, guys. Welcome to this episode of Task Planners and Partners. This video is about how you can get task planner certificate online. All right. So that is E-TCC, E-TCC, Electronic Task Clearance Certificate. So I have access to a company's platform here on GRA portal. So you can see the URL of the portal, taxpayersportal.com. So if you are in need of tax clearance certificate, this is the quickest or easiest way to go and get it for anything you want to do. All right, being contract or clearing goods, whatever it is requested, you can just go on uh, your you can just go to GRA portal, log in into your account on GRA portal and get the TCC, okay, or the E-TCC, Electronic Tax Clearance Certificate. So before you dive into this, guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Okay, and if you have any accounting or tax issues, don't hesitate to contact tax planners and partners. Okay, so at your left side, you can see some detail here, company detail, the name, the TIN number, and the office, the filing office, all right, and then some compliance stars. So down you have your task types. You have your task clearance. So this is where you click to request for the task clearance certificate, and then some frequently asked questions, okay, to guide you, and then the contact office, um, tax office, contact tax office. Okay, so you have log on, log out here. So if you want to log out from the platform, just click here and you are out. Okay. All right. So our focus is on tax clearance certificate. Maybe if you want to register on DRA platform, that will be another video. But if that's what you want to know how to go about, you can just drop your comment in the comment section, and then we'll gladly assist you. So to start, you just have to make sure that you have some tax types registered according to your business. Of course, you have some. Oh, I have been logged out, so I just have to log in again. Let me refresh and log in. So I was saying that before you request for the tax clearance certificate, you make sure that you have some tax type, like you register. You have to register for some tax type that is related to your business or your organization, all right, or the industry you're operating in. So there are some tax types that go with your industry or your organization. So when you click here, tax types, you can see the tax types here, and then you register. For instance, on this one, we have corporate income tax, CIT, NHI Get Fund, NHI Get Fund, plus COVID-19, PAYE, VAT standard, that is the 15%, right? And then we have the withholding tax. Okay, so for this particular company, these the tax types that they work with. Okay, so you have them there. So if your company also has some tax type just like this one or different from this one, to make sure that you register them, just click on register for a tax type, and then the types will come. You can see airport tax, capital gains, communication service tax, e-levy, emission tax, exercise duty, financial sector recovery levy, Ghana Education Trust Fund, gift tax. So you have all of them. So uh, per your organization requirements regarding tax, you select that, just click on request, then it will take you to where you have to validate, then you register that. As you can see that these ones are the one registered for this particular company. Okay, so if you don't register for a tax type, it means that it's not going to show on your TCC, your tax clearance certificate. It's not going to show, and maybe that may block or might block some of your process, you know, when you are requesting to clear goods or uh, bidding for a contract. So make sure you respect all the tax type that go with your company, so that you know caught in the process, and you have to go back and come and register. So make sure you register here for all the tax types related to your organization. So after you registered for the tax types, you come down here, you click on your uh, tax clearance certificate. Okay, so you can see electronic tax clearance certificate, E-TCC. That's what I'm saying. So you can see process my TCC, print my TCC, and then search for TCC. So if you previously have the TCC number and you want to look for it here, you can just go to search, tap the TCC number, and then you get it, and then you can print it. So you can see that the latest one is what is here. I can just easily click here. You can see here, I can just click at the last end here and then print it. Okay, or if I have the number, I just have to type the TIN number, whatever number is it for the TCC, tap it here, and then all will come, and then I'll select whatever I want to select. And note that the TCC is for just 1 month, 28 days, then it expires. So we make sure that you are in compliance before you even receive the TCC here. You just have to make sure that you are not owing first. That is number one. You are not owing, that you pay all your tax. You will see here, like down here, you see pending payment. There's nothing like that. There shouldn't be something here as in payment due for you. If it's like that, you can't get the TCC. And again, you make sure that pending returns, that you file all your returns up to date. So if you don't do that, the system will not allow you to get the TCC. So two things: make sure you file all your tasks up to date, up to the time you want to take the TCC. You make sure that all the outstanding returns have been filed, and also made you made all the payments, all the liabilities have been cleared. Okay, so once you have this, the platform is free for you to take your TCC anytime you want. Okay, unless there is some liability you have to clear, or you have not filed a tax type. Okay, so let's try this company's TCC to see there is nothing pending like payment, and every type of tax have been also filed. So when you click on tax clearance, tax type, when you click here, your tax clearance, you have these three options that I just mentioned. So click on process my TCC. So process my TCC. All right. So this is the last approved tax clearance approved. That's the last one, which is due on the 18th April. Okay, that is after tomorrow. We are 16 today. Okay, even 17 because we are around 12 something. So for this tax clearance that I got last for this company, we have 1 day for it to expire. All right, so I have to renew, take it again for the next 28 days. So what I'll do here is I'll click on the new request. So if I want to download the previous one, I'll just click on download certificate. Okay, but now we want to request for a new one. I'll just click on new request. So here, the reason why you want to do the TCC, you mentioned that. You can see there are some predefined purpose here, to import goods in commercial quantity, apply for license to operate as a custom clearing or foreign agent, to register a title land title to land or perform other transaction with the land commission. So all the reasons are here, okay, or the purposes. So I will say other, and then they will ask me to just specify. So I say for clearing, for clearing, for clearing of goods, for clearing of goods at the port. So I can just mention the port. I can say Tema Port, or Florida Port, or at the airport. But I just mentioned for clearing of goods at the port. So just to mention that many may cover all the port. So at the port, okay. Then I'll put the T number for this company here. Okay. So for the purpose of privacy, I'll just blur these fields. These fields will be blurred so that you not see the company that is in use, or we are using here for this video. Okay, so after you tap the TIN number, you can see that the system itself has brought out the company name of requesting organization. So you can just put your email here, email of requesting organization, which is not required. You can see the mandatory fields, or the required fields, are the one with the stars. You can see stars where the stars are. These are the mandatory fields. So after that, I just click on process. So the system is just now scanning the site to see if I have some liabilities pending, or if there's any task type I've not filed, you know. So if there is something like that, the system will reject it. You say, no, you can't get it. But if I'm in order, I'm in compliance, then it will give me the chance to get the TC. As you can see, clearing, you see, first of all, specify purpose. That's what we did at the top here. See 1, 2, 3. So specify purpose. Then auto compliance check. So that the system auto check the portal, and then at the end process, then it goes. So you can see that this has been approved. Task clearance approved. Your task clearance certificate was successfully processed. Kindly note that the certificate is valid until May 15. So just now we saw that it was the previous one was is about to expire in 1 day time. Now the system has given us another one, which is going for May 15. All right. So click the button below to download a copy of your certificate. So I'll just click on download certificate here. Okay. So download certificate, and then I can just download the certificate. Okay. Download certificate to my laptop, and I'm done. So you can see this is task clearance certificate given here with all the details. You can see what I was talking about, the task type. You see in the section 2, you have this certificate covers corporate income tax, CIT, HA, NHI get fund, COVID-19, PAYE, and value added tax. So these are the tasks we normally use for this organization. In fact, it's left with the withholding tax, which we will not put on. But for the purpose we are using this tax clearance certificate for, I think these types of tax are okay for this certificate. Alright, so you can see valid until 15 May. So, and signed by the current Commissioner General of GRA. Okay, so I can just click on download the button here at the top. The print is here, and download is here. So click on download, and then be downloaded to your machine. That is, you can see GRA tax clearance certificate, and then the number of the certificate full loose. Okay, all right. So that's it, guys. Just save it to your machine, and to be saved. Okay, so that's all. Once again, if you have any tax issues, any accounting issues, any audits or management consultancy, whatever, our website is there. Once it's down there in the video, Down there in the description of the video, you can contact us and then have your accounting and tax issues sorted out. So once again, don't forget to like the video, share it, guys, and thank you once again.